Are you feeling overwhelmed stepping into the world of Linux? Many new users wonder how to start. This tutorial will guide you through dual booting Linux with Windows 11. By the end, you'll successfully install Ubuntu alongside Windows. Before we begin, remember to back up your drive. This prevents accidental data loss. Let's start by creating a Linux install USB. First, download the Linux ISO file, preferably Ubuntu. Next, download and install Rufus on your Windows machine. Insert your USB drive with at least 8 GB capacity and open Rufus. Select your USB device, then click Select to choose the downloaded Linux OS. Set the partition scheme to GPT and click Start to write the OS to the USB. When prompted, choose Write in ISO image mode and confirm the action. Now, close Rufus once the process completes and remove your USB drive. Next, let's install Linux for dual boot. Insert the USB drive into your computer and boot from it. From the grub menu, select Try or Install Ubuntu and press Enter. When prompted, click on Try Ubuntu to load it into RAM. Test your hardware to make sure everything is functioning. Double-click the install icon to launch the installer. Select your preferred language and click Continue. Set up your accessibility preferences, then click Next. Choose your keyboard layout and proceed. Decide on your internet connection method, ensuring you're connected. Select Interactive Installation and click Next, allowing for user prompts. Choose between default or extended installations based on your needs. Decide on proprietary software inclusion and click Next. Select Install Ubuntu alongside Windows Boot Manager and proceed with caution. Adjust the space for each OS using the slider. Choose No Encryption for a standard install or select Encrypt for added security. Create a username and give your machine a hostname for identification. Set your location, then click Continue. Review your selections and click Install to start the installation process. Once installation completes, click Restart Now and remove the USB drive. After rebooting, access your BIOS to set the default boot option. Open your BIOS menu and navigate to the boot menu. Select UEFI NVMe Drive BBS Priorities and set boot option 1 to the Linux install. Save the changes and exit the BIOS. Your system will now boot to the grub menu. Select your Linux OS and press Enter to load. Finally, verify everything works by checking both operating systems. Congratulations on dual booting Linux with Windows 11. Remember, the journey into Linux can be exciting. Apply these skills and explore further.